To do the Week 9 individual data contribution assignment, start on the course homepage and launch the Excel keyboard shortcuts. So we're going to be using Excel desktop application, and so back and forth through Chrome. So go to Alt-Tab to get back to Chrome. And within Excel, we're going to be potentially changing sheets, Control page up, page down. And within Chrome, we're going to be changing tabs, Control Tab, Control Shift Tab to go to the previous tab. So let's go Control Tab because since there's only two, the next one is the previous one. And go to Assessments, Assignments. And in the individual data contribution, go to week 9. And in this assignment, we're working for a personal investment company. They sell stock portfolios to clients. And so we're going to create a stock portfolio with 6 stocks. We want ones that have good return, which anti-correlate. What anti-correlate means when one's up, one's down, so that you don't put your eggs in one basket kind of thing. And we're going to choose from 18 stocks, these 6 stocks, based on the 3 that each of the 16 members find. And so let's make sure that we're not going to download one that's already been downloaded. So let's open up the week 9 worksheet. So go into OneDrive if you haven't logged in, log in, go into your team folder, mouse over week 9, click the triple dot, open in the app, and open Excel. So if you haven't opened this, the first time you open it, I've opened this a few times, and so I've already hit the enable editing. And once you do, you always get this thing. They don't like these downloads. They're scared about them. Don't worry about it. We're not. But anyways, my team members have chosen Control page up. They have AEP, FDX, and CVX. So I'm not going to choose those. And I'm going to go Alt-Tab to get back to Chrome and Control-Shift-Tab to get back to D2L. And so we're going to go to this website called Stook. So I'm going to click on there. I think it's from Europe. And then I'm going to go Control-Shift-Tab to get back. I'm going to find things, companies that are publicly traded for at least 10 years and have their positive return. I'll show you how to see for that. And you can use AI to find these, look for good returns, anti-correlate. I'm not going to walk you through how to do that. I want you to use what you know so far about using AI to do that. But you don't have to, but you can. And then I want it to be yearly intervals. I don't want so much data to download and sift through. So make it yearly. And I'm going to scroll to the bottom of the table and download the Excel file, the CSV file. So I'm going to try for Google. And here's an interesting one. This is a strategy company that's working for Google. Let's try them out. Let's see what they have. So now if this was on daily, then we would not want daily. We want yearly, and then hit show. And then this one doesn't have 10 years, 3 years. That's not going to work. So we're going to, let's try the regular Google, not the firm. Here it is, google.us. That one definitely has 10 years. It is on yearly show, so that's good. And look how much green I got. There's a couple of reds, but mostly it's green, so I like that. So I download that one. And let's try another one. What's Microsoft doing? Microsoft, lots of green. I like that. A couple of reds, but pretty green. So that's good. Download them. And what's another one? How about Apple? It is apple.us. Definitely over 10 years. Lots of green. And there's some red there. I wonder what's going on. Anyways, I'm still going to go for it. Download. And I have done that. Now I've downloaded 3 stocks. The next step, I'm going to show you how to import them. But good. We're done.